Hello, my name's Gavin, and this is a brief sync episode on how to disable the media keys inside the Chromium Edge browser. Now to do this, it's very simple and I'll show you real quickly. Simply all you want open is your Edge browser, and then simply paste this at the URL bar. It'll bring you directly to this setting. Simply click on it and hit disabled. It'll ask you to restart, simply restart. Okay, once you have it restarted, depending on how many you have open, it will reboot Edge on however many instances you have open. And then if you simply go to any YouTube video and you hit your media key, it won't do anything. Now for an example here, I'm showcasing my last upload, and if I simply hit play on the video and I try using the media key, it just plays and pauses my Spotify playlist. If you like this episode of Brief Sync, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode as well as suggestions for future content. Besides that, continue learning and have a nice day.